Good morning. I'm back up in the Pyrenees in Val d'Aran. We're going to a different spot today. I say we. I'm with Isabel again, who's up ahead. What's really nice is at the moment it's only about 11 or 12 Celsius. It's about just gone 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's nice to get away from the blister and the heat of Barcelona. It's been absolutely scorching, and so coming up to the mountains is, but even for this time of year up here, it does feel a little chillier than usual. But I think during the day and tomorrow, I think it's going to still get up to 29, 30 Celsius perhaps. 26 I think today, but tomorrow and the next day is going to be a couple of hot days. You might hear the traffic in the background because we're not far from the main motorway that takes you all the way back to Barcelona. And we're actually walking up to, it's about a 2-hour hike up, a bit of a steep. I think we're climbing about 600 to 700, no, about 800 meters, was it, Isabel? Today, about 800 meters, yeah. So a couple of hours to get up there, and we're going to a place called Lac Redon, Lake Redon. There won't be so much talking in this, probably just filming the surroundings. It's an absolutely beautiful day. Once we get out of the forest, you'll see there's not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful, beautiful blue skies, which will show the mountains in all their glory, hopefully. And I think we get a peak of Aneto, so which is the highest mountain in the Pyrenees. So yeah, all being well, it'll be a nice hike. So enjoy, and chat to you later. So we made it to the top. It was quite a challenging hike. At the beginning, it's kind of gives false sense of security because it's quite it's going up, but it's kind of gradual, you know. But then we suddenly hit a bit of a steep climb, and it's kind of kept like that for the last probably couple of kilometers. Was it? Do you think, Isabel? 2 or 3 kilometers? 6 maybe? 6. But yeah, so it was quite a challenge to get to this final bit. But as you can see, it's worth it. This is Lac Redon, and if I have any wits about me, I'll put a little map up here of where it is. But yeah, beautiful. We were gonna walk from here over to Lac, what's it called? No, the other one. Lac Tor. No, it had a different name now, didn't it? Rios.
No, Tor.
Oh, I thought it was Rios.
Rios is the other.
Ah, okay.
Rodon, Tor, Rios, Mar.
Okay. Oh, it's called Tor. I thought it was Rios. Anyway, we're not going to go there. We're going to have our lunch here, which isn't as good as it was last time. We both agreed. Isabel forgot to bring me my fork, so I've had to make a plastic fork out of the quinoa pot. It's not ideal, but it works, so we're having that. But this one's with sardines with tomato sauce with quinoa, and it's edible. We're going to eat it, but last time I think we had it in oil, I think maybe, and it just seemed nicer, tasted nicer. So we're going to eat this, and then we're going to make our way back down to the car, make our way home, and see what this evening brings. So yeah, you might see some of the same views going back down as you saw coming up. There's a bit of cloud coming in over what I can see here, so yeah, it might be slightly different views as we go. Same view but different view, if you know what I mean. But yeah, we're going to make our way back to the car shortly, and yeah, I don't feel too bad. It was quite challenging at parts, but I wasn't nearly dying like I was last time we went up a steep hill where I thought I was having a heart attack. There was none of that, so I'm feeling fitter, and we'll go to Lac Tor on another day. Okay, so that brings us back to the beginning of the hike. An absolutely stunning day for it. We didn't make it to Lac Redon in the end. We just stayed for a couple of hours at the Lac Redon and we had our lunch there, and yeah, just chilled out. And it was much cooler up there because there was a bit of a breeze, cooler breeze, and it's so nice to have it. I mean, it was great waking up this morning with the like 10-11 Celsius. It's been so long since I felt anything that kind of cool, because it's been such roasting hot in the summer. So yeah, I'm not complaining, but yeah, it is a relief to get out of the heat for a few days. It'll still be warm when I get back. It's not going to be any cooler, so I'm making the most of it up here for a few days. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Either way, give it a little like, leave a comment if you wish, got any questions, and mainly about my bright green top that I'm wearing today. I didn't realise it was so bright until I was outside. But it's good to know you'll get found if you get lost. So there was one plus that came from it. But yeah, almost back now. Gonna end it here. As always, thanks very much for watching, really appreciate it. So hopefully see you on the next one. Until then, look after yourselves and bye for now.